Ready to hit the amusement park? Before you throw everything in a bag, let's take a second to get organized and think about what we actually need to bring so that you can really enjoy the thrill of the rides. Today we're breaking down exactly what to bring to the amusement park so that you're not digging through your bags and worried about your valuables. We're gonna keep it simple. Let's go! The first thing you want to consider are the items that you want with you on your body all day. The best way to do this is probably to carry a fanny pack if your park allows it. If not a fanny pack, start thinking about clothing that you have that has zippered pockets. So given that a fanny pack is pretty small or pockets, we want to pick out things that are essential and small. So maybe you need to have sunglasses, your cell phone, your ID, some cash, hand sanitizer, or maybe a sunscreen, maybe one that's a little smaller than this, then you've got it, a chapstick, whatever those essential items are for you that you cannot live without, that would ruin your day if you didn't have them with you. If you have a longer day, or maybe you're going from park to park and you need different things for different parks, consider bringing a backpack instead of a fanny pack. You can use it to load in changes of clothes or layers, a water bottle, and any other needed things that you might not need on you all day, but need access throughout the day. You also want to think about your accessories and what you're putting on your body for your amusement park day. You don't want to wear anything that's super valuable that you'd be sad to lose. You also want to try to keep it as minimal as possible to have less getting in the way of your fun. You don't want hats that are going to fly off during a ride, or think about if you can add as many things to your outfit that have zippers and pockets, like this jacket. That'll be super helpful as you move through your day. The last layer of your packing is thinking about what to put in the car. For many people, it's a little bit of a drive to actually get to the amusement park. Think about the things that you might want at the top of the day as you ride in, and at the end of the day on your way home. Extra snacks, especially if you have kids with you. What supplies do they need to keep them amused and occupied in the car on the way to or from the park to keep everyone comfortable and in good spirits? And that's it, we're ready to head to the park. We know what's in every bag and our hands are free for fun. See you there. Are worried about your valuables. Let's take a second to get organized so that when you're there, you can enjoy the Oh, that would put my window on the wrong side. Oh yeah, I'm putting my butt this way. I just never do it that way, so it was very counterintuitive. Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. You can also check us out on our other social media platforms for all of the tips and tricks. For everything from home organizing to move management, Team M2O has your back. We'll see you next time on M2O TV.